right, we're spooling the main line now. Keep an eye on that coupling point.
Roger that, we're good to go.
All right, watch your hands. Drive that pin in hard.
It's secure, boss.
Okay, crane, take the strain. Slow lift. We follow the contour line here, directly into grid A. Visibility will be low, so stay tight.
The star is the key indicator. We rendezvous at the container coordinates exactly at 0600, no deviations.
First, check the pressure gauge, then test the regulator for a clear flow of air before the dive.
That's our target. See the rectangular shape here at grid A. Depth confirms 45 meters.
All right, divers, you are good to go. Get ready. All right, heave on that line. Watch the pendulum effect.
Heaving! Steady now.
All right, grab the rail. Heave. I'm up. Next one, watch the ladder.
She's down. Clear the lines.
Bridge, the asset is secured on deck. Recovery complete.
The growth here is significant.
Yes, especially on the hood ornament. We need to be careful with the cleaning process.
Well done, team. Absolutely superb.
Look at this wood, it's perfect.
I can't believe the leather held up this well.
And the logo, it's completely untouched.
With the artifact secured, the research vessel presses onward into the vast, open ocean. The mission continues.
The growth on the port side seems more aggressive, particularly around the fuel cap.
Agreed. Log the coordinates and ensure we get a core sample of that cluster.
Right here, see how deep that goes?
Yes, I see it. But the housing around it is still solid. We can work with this.
I think I got it. RGL 35.
That's the one.
That's the vehicle from the manifest.
The damage on the bump bumper confirms it.
The container is right next to it, partially buried.
We have confirmation on the second target. Move, move.
All right, let's do this. Tanks check, Captain.
Crane, swing to starboard. We are ready for the next lift point. Affirmative, Captain. Line secured.
The target is stable at 40 meters.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch your spacing. All right, secure the lines.
The optic package on the white is clearly the updated version.
Yes, the throw distance is significantly better than the previous generation.
The silt patterns here are remarkable. We need to analyze the composition before attempting removal.
Look at this leather. It's perfect.
And the wood trim, it's unbelievable out here.
Look at that.
They're photographs. I can't believe it survived the wreck.
And the Rolls is right there.
That confirms the location.
Diagnostics are clear. Pressure looks good on this side.
Same here. Straps are secured. We are ready for the drop.
This is unbelievable. They look magnificent.
The best restoration job I've ever seen.
The data confirms hull integrity on both vehicles is optimal.
The underwater assessment matches the telemetry perfectly.
Morning, gentlemen. My divers are ready for the hull inspection as soon as we clear customs.
Very good, Captain. We'll finalize the paperwork now.
Okay, bring her down easy now.
Clear on the left side.
Watch the rear fender, almost there.
Confirmed clear of the deck.
Holding steady on the line.
Ready for approach on the dock.
All right, let's move these up to the loading zone. Divers, stay alert. Keep it coming straight, very slowly. Watch the wheel clearance now.
You are clear of the ramp. Easy push from the back.
All right, hold it right there.
Look at this entry right here. The coordinates match the wreck site.
My God, that's it. That's the shipwreck.
Incredible.
It all comes back to 1967.
The insurance policy must have just been activated.
It's them.
It's actually them.
The red and the white.
After all this time.
45 meters depth, North Atlantic, 2026.
That is correct.
The deep sea recovery exhibit is scheduled for 6.
Confirmed. We should head there shortly.
Very good. The preparations look complete.
Welcome, welcome.
Good evening. So glad you're here. The exhibit is spectacular.
To the success of the expedition and the stunning work of these incredible divers.
We appreciate the support of the museum and our partners.
The commitment to excellence we celebrate tonight is exemplified by these 2 motor cars, symbols of an era.
On behalf of the entire society, congratulations on your remarkable achievement.
And then, through the murky water, we saw it. The legendary missing Rolls-Royce.
It was submerged for decades, but the preservation was remarkable.
We found this tucked in the glove compartment.
Oh, that's them. My parents.
To the realization of a dream.
And to many more discoveries.
Cheers!
Look closely at the statue. This symbol of elegance was with a car when it was discovered deep underwater.
The pressure down there was immense, unlike anything we'd faced before.
Exactly. And retrieving the artifact required absolute precision.
Perfect, hold that. Chin up slightly. Now look right into the lens for me. Great, and again,